Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha, and in today's video I did this makeup look. It's a very bronze brown look, and if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this look, then please keep watching. I'm gonna start off by using these two shades. I'm gonna go into this shade and mix it with this one. Now I'm gonna take this shade. I'm gonna go into this shade right here. It's called Elfish, and this palette is Dream Street palette by Catherine Briggs. I'm gonna take this shade right here. For the glitter, I'm gonna use this xoxo liquid eyeshadow. It's in the shade Summer Solstice, and I'm gonna use it with my fingers. I'm just gonna take a little bit on the back of my hand and use my fingers. Followed on my face, so I'm gonna clean it, and also I'm gonna do my liner off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with my liner and my lashes. My liner is the Insta liner by Lakme, and my lashes are again from Miniso. I usually use Miniso lashes. So I'm gonna complete my eyes later. I'm gonna jump onto my face now. So I'm gonna use this is a Revolution liquid highlighter. For my foundation, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild foundation. It's the Photo Focus foundation, and I'm in the shade Desert Beige. Okay, I've heard that it dries up really quickly, so I'm just going to do one more. These two concealers, and this one is the Age Rewind concealer, and this is the Fit Me concealer. So for my bronzer, I'm going to use this. For my blush, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Color Icon blush. I'm in the shade Mellow Wine. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Color Icon eyebrow pencil. So for my highlight, I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty highlighter. This is the shade Hustla Baby. Okay, so for my lower lash line, I'm going to mix these two shades again. I'm going to go in this shade. I'm going to focus it in the outer corners, but bring it in. I'm going to use the shade Elfish. I'm going to use this shade Sweet Dreams for my inner corners. For my lips, I'm gonna use this Nicka K True Matte Me lipstick. It's in the shade Cocoa Bean. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.